Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment. Install Xampp matching your PHP needs and extensions. Once installed, run the Xampp control panel as administrator so services can bind to ports. Start Apache and MySQL now, and make sure the OS firewall allows them. Otherwise, they will block connections. If a conflict appears on port 80 or 3306, stop the conflicting app or change Xampp port settings, because getting services running is the essential first step to connect successfully. Once services run, configure hostname and project mapping so requests reach your app. Edit HTTPD, conf and HTTPD hosts. Conf to add a virtual host that points to your project folder, and update hosts file with the same name. This makes URLs clean and predictable. Next, use phpMyAdmin or the MySQL CLI to create a database and a dedicated user with a strong password. You need credentials to connect from your app. Finally, set file permissions on the document root and restart Apache to apply changes. You now wire your application to Xampp, update the config or env with DB host, localhost, or 127, 0, 0, 1, user, password, database name, and port 3306. Test the connection in a browser or with a simple script. Make sure to clear caches and restart services if results are stale. If something fails, review Apache and MySQL error logs for clear signs, then try the key troubleshooting tip. Change conflicting ports and restart Xampp, because most connection problems trace back to ports, permissions, or wrong credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.